In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete an awaiting payment invoice on Xero step by step. If you've accidentally created an invoice, sent it to the wrong client, or simply need to clean up your accounts receivable list, this quick tutorial will walk you through the correct way to remove it. We'll be working inside the sales section, and I'll show you how to properly void the invoice so your records stay accurate. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the confirmation step. And if this video helps you, be sure to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard homepage, look at the top menu bar. You'll see several options, including Business, Accounting, and others depending on your setup. To find your invoices, click on Business in the top navigation menu. From the drop-down options, select Invoices. This will take you to your Sales Invoices page, where you can see all invoices across different statuses. At the top of the Invoices screen, you'll notice several tabs such as Draft, Awaiting Approval, Awaiting Payment, and Paid. Since we want to delete an invoice that is currently awaiting payment, go ahead and click on the Awaiting Payment tab. This will filter the list and show you only the invoices that have been approved and sent but not yet paid by customers. Now, carefully scroll through the list and locate the invoice or invoices you want to remove. It's important to double-check the customer name, invoice number, and amount before proceeding to make sure you're selecting the correct one. Once you've identified the invoice, click the checkbox located to the left of that invoice. If you need to delete multiple invoices, you can select more than one checkbox at the same time. After selecting the invoice or invoices, look toward the top of the list. You'll see action buttons appear once at least one invoice is selected. Click on the Void button. In Xero, voiding an invoice removes it from your active accounts receivable while keeping a record for audit purposes. This is the correct method for deleting an invoice that is already in awaiting payment status. As soon as you click Void, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your action. This is your final chance to review everything before the invoice is permanently voided. If you're sure you want to proceed, click OK to confirm. Xero will then process the request and remove the invoice from the Awaiting Payment tab. Once completed, the invoice will no longer appear under awaiting payment. Instead, it will be marked as voided in your records. This keeps your accounting clean and ensures your reports remain accurate without showing money that is no longer expected to be received. And that's it. That's exactly how you delete an awaiting payment invoice in Xero the correct way. Just remember, you can only void invoices that haven't had payments applied to them. If a payment has already been recorded, you'll need to remove or reconcile that payment first before voiding the invoice. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Xero accounting guides in 2026. I post simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you manage your business finances with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.